Hey guys, hey, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Nacine. I am 37. I have 4 beautiful kids, a floofy, fluffy husky, 2 kitties, and I would love it if you gave me a clicky. Today's video is a little different. I do one of these once a month. I get a box from Sipsby. It is a tea subscription box. So what they do is you fill out a survey sort of thing online, basically answering questions about if you like this kind of tea, do you like this, like do you have any preferences, do you like hot teas, cold teas, sugar, no sugar, whatever. And then you get a box every month tailored to you. So I've not opened it yet. All I did was take this off. I'm about to open it. It says, okay, I'm excited already. Anyways, it always comes with this really cute little card, and it's August teas, and I say this every time. I love these little tiny teas with the little hearts. It's really cute. On the back, it tells you everything, just like any type of subscription box. It tells you all about the teas that you just got, if it's a high caffeine, no caffeine, low caffeine, what have you. And I'm gonna go ahead and every single box comes with this little satchel with these disposable, not like chicken seasoning on my elbow. This is my elbow, my knuckle. These little bags, little disposable tea bags. Every one comes with this. So I have lots of these. All right, let's see. What did we get this month? So the first tea that really popped out to me and looks really good, actually, is this Tea Pegs Cold Brew, which I'm excited about. How do you say this? Lychee and rose tea. 1 tea temple for your water bottle. I might have this later. It says a fruit and herbal infusion with natural flavoring, a blend of lychee, I hope I'm not saying that wrong, and rose on a fruity base makes a light, sweet, and flowery drink. This yummy infusion will make drinking water much more enjoyable. 2 liters a day, easy. Glug, 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 glug. I like the name of this company, Tea Pigs. This one, basically, it just kind of says the same thing right there. You don't need to brew it with hot water. It also has a discount code if you want to purchase your own $10 off of your $50 order with the code SIPSBYSUMMER on Tea Pigs US. I'm excited about this. I got 4. I like cold brew teas. So I got those. The next one that pops out to me is this loose, and this sounds really good too. It's Tista Tea Eternity Peachy King. Peachy Keen. I cannot talk today, you guys. This is a peach rose white tea. This is low caffeine. I should say what the caffeine level with this was. This is caffeine free. This is a low caffeine level, and basically you add about a teaspoon and a half of the tea into your loose tea infuser. Pour 8 ounces of hot water over it. Steep it for about 5 minutes. You can also do this with cold. Brewing iced tea, use double the tea in step 1 and pour over ice with step 3. So you could also drink this cold, which sounds good. Ooh. Make this cold, pour over, or make it hot, let it sit, pour it over ice. I bet some heavy whipping cream in this. That sounds good. Peachy King. Papaya bits, rosebud, natural flavors, white tea. Now, all of my teas should be low carb because that is what is on my my thing that I filled out was for low carb. The next one that comes out is Asheville Tea Company Jasmine Gold. This is a loose leaf. And it just says put 1 tea bag into your favorite cup, add water and steep. This one is Jasmine Gold. This is a medium caffeine. You steep this one for about 2 to 3 minutes. It's locally grown. It does have a discount code, 15% off with Sipsby ATC for Asheville tea. Also, if you were interested in this, it does also have a 20% off code with code Sipsby for these Tista teas. Why can't I talk? This is a video. And the last thing that I got in this box, which also sounds really good, is cranberry blood orange round black tea. Round. It's a round tea bag. Confused. This is a high caffeine tea. It says it's tart, sweet, fruitful blend of cranberries, black tea, orange peels. Is delicious hot or iced. So this sounds like a good one to have iced as well. Cranberry blood orange. That sounds really good. I will have to make a couple of drinks of one of these and let you guys know what I'm feeling. I think I don't want a high caffeine at 5 p.m. So maybe I'll make one of these in the morning, tomorrow morning, and have one of these on my way to work. And maybe tonight, since this is a no caffeine, I will make one of these bad boys and check in with you. And this one was a low caffeine. I may do the same with that. And then these ones were medium. In the description box below, I will put the code so you can get $10 off of your first box if you want to try Sipsby. If you already get Sipsby, let me know in the comment section below what you think, what your favorite tea is. Are you a tea lover? I'm a tea lover. I've recently came into teas since I started keto and just wanting different things to drink and try, and there's so many different ways and so many different things you can do with tea. It's really amazing. So go check out Sipsby, you guys, if you want to try them out. $10 off, and you can get tailored teas. Ooh, I like it. Tailored teas, and you can get these amazing teas as well.